Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get bank statement online Mashreq Neo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to get bank statement online Mashreq Neo, first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up your Mashreq application. Then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account by tapping on the sign in button on the bottom of your screen, then entering your username and password, then tapping on sign in. Then once you're logged into your account from the home screen, simply select your Mashreq Neo account and then this open account details. Then once you're inside there, simply select statements or account statement and choose monthly statement or custom date range. Then once that's done, you can now download PDF, email statement, share by WhatsApp or email, and statement downloads instantly. The next method is get statement via Mashreq online banking. So simply head over to the browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in digital.mashreqbank.com and log into your account. And once logged into your account, click on accounts, then select your new account. Then inside, select statements, and then once you're inside there, select the statement that you want to download, and you'll find an option that says download PDF. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.